Hey guys, Joseph here with a new sample footage video on the new FineVu GX300. This dashcam was just released for the North American market this past week on the BlackboxMyCar website. It's a flagship model for FineVu and one of the best-selling dashcams in Korea today, so we're very excited to give you guys a look at the sample footage for it. We also launched our in-depth review video for it last week too, so be sure to check that out when you have a chance. Let us know what you think. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Starting off with some daytime footage, the GX300 is a 2K QHD front and Full HD rear dual-channel dash cam. The front camera is equipped with a 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor with a wide 122-degree field of view. It's got the same great features as the FineVu GX33, which we launched a couple of months ago, including buffered parking mode, auto night vision, smart time-lapse, HDR, and ADAS. Now let's move on to the rear camera. This is a Full HD rear at 30 frames per second. This rear view camera is fitted with a 2 megapixel JX F37 image sensor from Silicon Optronic to bring Full HD recordings of the traffic behind. A little different from the GX33, the GPS is actually built in to the device. Same with the Wi-Fi as well. So you're going to be able to get speed, location, time, and date data right onto your footage. Moving on to the nighttime footage, we've turned on high dynamic range to show you how effective it is at recording videos clearly, even where luminance varies rapidly. It helps in identifying license plates. You can turn HDR on and off for the front camera in the settings. Auto night vision is also available to automatically find optimal video quality in tough-to-capture environments like nighttime, underground parking lots, tunnels, and very bright daylight by reducing the noise. Here's my favorite feature, the smart time-lapse function that allows you to record 5 times longer footage without video loss. We're talking 1,134 minutes with smart time-lapse mode instead of 193 minutes on a standard 32 gig SD card. Last but not least, let's take a look at some nighttime footage for the rear camera. Now, because there's built-in GPS, there are some advanced safety features that you have access to right away, including ADAS and speed camera alerts. Now that's it for the GX300. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out our in-depth review video. Be sure to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in making a purchase, be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube for 5% off. Check you guys later.